To the first day math class. Okay. In mathematics 2 year second year we have 14 chapters. In that now we are going to start the first chapter, that is the complex numbers. Okay, my dear students, what is a complex number? So any number in the form of a plus ib is called a complex number. A number expressed in the form of a plus ib is called a complex number. In general, we denote the complex number with the letter z. So z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. A and b, where a and b, these both are belong here numbers. So z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. So here a is known as a real part and b is known as imaginary part. So in a plus ib, a is real part and b is imaginary part. So now some examples for this complex numbers. So first example, z equals to 3 plus 4i. So 3 plus 4i, it is in the form of a plus ib, and here 3 is real part and 4 is imaginary. 4 is imaginary part. So second example, z equals to 2 minus 5i. So here 2 is a real part and minus 5 is imaginary. Minus 5 is imaginary part. Let us take the third example, that is z equals to minus 2i plus 3. So here observe, here minus 2i plus 3, this is a complex number, and here a value is minus 2, not minus 2. A is 3 and b is minus 2. So minus 2 becomes the imaginary part. Why? Because it is linked with I. So minus 2i plus 3. So minus 2 is imaginary part and 3 is a real part. Don't be confused. Now what about I? So I is imaginary value. I is imaginary value. This value is I square equals to minus 1. We have to remember this value. I square equals to minus 1 and I is known as imaginary value. Okay. Now conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Let us take z equals to a plus ib is a complex number. Then what is conjugate of this complex number is, we have to simply change the sign of the imaginary part. Whether it is 1 plus, we have to change this plus into minus. If it is minus, we have to change that minus into plus. So simply this conjugate is denoted with z bar. So formula is z bar equals to a minus ib. So z equals to a plus ib, this is the given complex number. Now the conjugate of this complex number is z bar equals to a minus ib. I have changed this sign of the imaginary part, which is plus. I have replaced with plus with minus. Okay, let us take some example. First one is, let us take z equals to 3 minus 4i. So if the given complex number is 3 minus 4i, then the conjugate of this complex number is z bar equals to 3 plus 4i. So take one more example. So z equals to minus 2 plus 3i. So here the conjugate of this complex number is z bar equals to minus 2 minus 3i. So kindly observe here that conjugate means the change of sign of the imaginary part only. The sign of the real part remains same. So here the given complex number is minus 2 plus 3i. For the conjugate of this complex number, we have to remain the sign of the real part same. So minus 2 and change the imaginary part sign, that is plus into minus. So answer is z bar equals to minus 2 minus 3i. Okay. Next, additive inverse. Additive inverse means if the given complex number is z equals to a plus ib, then the additive inverse of this complex number is minus z. That means we have to multiply the complex number with minus. So minus of a plus ib. So the answer is minus a minus b. So simply we have to change the signs of the real part and imaginary part. If the signs are plus, we have to convert that plus into minus. If the sign is minus, we have to convert that minus into plus. Now take some example, that is 1. So z equals to 2 plus 3i. Now the additive inverse of this complex number is, that means additive inverse, I am writing additive inverse. Additive inverse of this complex number is minus of 2 plus 3i. So the answer is minus 2 minus 3i. Say second example, so z equals to minus 2 plus 5i. So additive inverse of this complex number is minus z equals to 2 minus 5i. So change the both signs of the real part and imaginary part. So the answer is 2 minus 5i. So take third example, that is z equals to 5i minus 5i minus 3. So the answer for this additive inverse of the given complex number is, that is additive inverse equals to 5i plus 3. Okay. Next, multiplicative inverse. So take the given complex number is z equals to a plus ib. Now the multiplicative inverse formula is multiplicative inverse equals to a minus ib by a square plus b square. So if the given complex number is z equals to a plus ib, the formula for multiplicative inverse is a minus ib by a square plus b square. Take one example. So let us take the complex number z equals to 3 plus 4i. Now the multiplicative inverse equals to a minus ib by a square plus b square. So now first we have to check the values of a and b. So here a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. Next, simply substitute in the given formula. So that is multiplicative inverse equals to 3 minus 4i by 3 square plus 4 square. Next, calculate 3 minus 4i by 9 plus 20, 9 plus 16. So the answer will be 3 minus 4i by 25. This is the multiplicative inverse of 3 plus 4i. Okay. Take one more example for the multiplicative inverse. Let us take the example is z equals to minus 2 minus 5i. Okay. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of this complex number minus 2 minus 5i. First we have to check the values of a and b. So here a equals to minus 2 and b equals to minus 5. Now the formula is multiplicative inverse equals to a minus ib by a square plus b square. Now we have to substitute the values of a and b in the formula. So the answer is minus 2 minus of minus 5i. That means minus 2 plus 5i by minus 2 square plus minus 5 whole square. So this is equals to minus 2 plus 5i by 4 plus 25. So this is equals to minus 2 plus 5i by 4 plus 25 is 29. This is the multiplicative inverse of the minus 2 minus 5i. So here we have to observe that the a minus ib by a square plus b square, in the value b equals to minus 5. So in formula we have a minus ib. So in next step minus 2 plus minus 5i becomes minus 2 plus 5i. It is minus and the value of b is also minus 5. So minus into minus becomes plus. Okay. Complex number. Modulus of a complex number means so to represent a complex number in coordinate system, we take x-axis as real axis and y is imaginary axis. X is real axis and y is imaginary axis. And representing a complex number in graph paper, we use that plane as organded plane. So representing a complex number in graph paper, the coordinate system becomes the organded plane. Okay. Now any complex number, that means if we take 3 plus 4i, it can be represented in a form of point, that is 3 comma 4. 3 plus 4i can be written in point form, that is 3 comma 4. If minus 2 minus 3i is the complex number, it can be represented in point form, that is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, 3 plus 4i can be represented in 3 comma 4 as point form, minus 2 minus 3i in coordinates are minus 2 minus 3 in point form. So if we represent the complex numbers in graphical view, the plane which is used to represent the complex number is called as organded plane. So x-axis is real axis, y-axis is imaginary axis. So modulus means, for example, 3 plus 4i is 3 comma 4. If 3 comma 4 is the complex number located here, now the modulus is the distance between the origin to the complex number is called the modulus. That means distance between 2 points, that is origin 0 comma 0 and the point 3 comma 4. So here 3 comma 4 means the complex number is 3 plus 4i. Okay, the distance between the complex number and the origin is modulus, and represent this modulus with small r. So formula for finding the modulus is r equals to under root of a square plus b square. R equals to under root of a square plus b square is the formula to find the modulus of a complex number. Okay. So modulus. Let us take z equals to a plus ib is the given complex number. Now the formula to find the modulus is mod z. Mod z means modulus of z, or we denote this as small r. R equals to mod z equals to, formula is under root of a square plus b square. Let us take one example, that is z equals to 3 plus 4i. So for this the modulus of z equals to under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So the answer is 9 plus 16 under root of 25. Answer is 5. So r equals to 5 is the modulus value of the complex number 3 plus 4i. In the same way, take another example, second example, that is z equals to 2 minus 3i. Now here a value is 2 and b value is, here a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 3. Here a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 3. Now modulus of z equals to under root of, formula is a square plus b square. Now we have to substitute the a and b values here. So that means under root of 2 square plus minus 3 square. So 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is root 13. So this is r. R is modulus of the complex number. Okay. Argument of a complex number. So if z equals to a plus ib is the given complex number, then argument of this complex number is represented with arg z. So formula is tan inverse of b by a. Arg z equals to tan inverse of b by a. This is known as the argument of the complex number. So we have to remind this formula. Arg z equals to tan inverse of b by a is the argument of the complex number. Next, we are going to learn about the modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form. So this is important amplitude form. This is also known as polar form. So if z equals to a plus ib is a given complex number, z equals to a plus ib is a given complex number, then the modulus amplitude form for this is z equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Z equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta is the modulus amplitude form of the given complex number z equals to a plus ib. Here r is under root of a square plus b square and theta is argument value. So that is tan inverse of b by a. Okay. So if the given complex number is in the form of z equals to a plus I by, or it can be in the form of z equals to x plus I by, both are same. Here r equals to under root of a square plus b square. If it is the form z equals to x plus I by, here r becomes under root of x square plus y square. Here theta, that it means argument, is tan inverse of b by a. Here theta argument value becomes tan inverse of y by x. Both are same. Either it can be the complex number in the form of z equals to a plus ib, or it can be in the form of z equals to x plus ii. Both are same. Okay. Complex number. Let us take the given complex number is z equals to a plus ib. Now the formula to find the square root is plus or minus under root of r plus a by 2 plus I into under root of r minus a by 2. So the formula is plus or minus under root of r plus a by 2 plus I into under root of r minus a by 2. This is formula. Now here r equals to under root of a square plus b square. R is under root of a square plus b square. Now let us take one example. That is first example. Let z equals to 3 plus 4i is the given complex number, and we have to find the square root of this complex number. For this, we have to check the values of a and b values. So here a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. Now we have to find the value of r here. So r equals to formula is under root of a square plus b square. So this is equals to under root of 3 square plus 4 square. That means 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So the answer is under root of 25. Under root 25 is 5. So r value is 5. So now the formula is square root. Square root equals to plus or minus under root of r plus a by 2 plus I into under root of r minus a by 2. Simply we have to substitute these values of a and r here. So the answer is plus or minus under root of r is 5 plus a value is 3 by 2 plus I into under root of 5 minus 3 by 2. Okay. Under root of 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2. That means under root of 8 by 2 plus I into under root of 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that is under root of 2 by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus under root of 8 by 2 is root 4 plus I into under root of 2 gets cancelled. That is 1. So this is equals to plus or minus root 4 value is 2 plus I into root 1 value is 1. That means I. So answer is plus or minus 2 plus I. It is the square root value of the given complex number. In this way we will find the square root of any given complex number. Okay students, we have to remember some important points here. That is, first one is argument of 1. Argument of 1 is 0 and argument of minus 1 is pi and argument of I is pi by 2 and argument of minus I is minus pi by 2 and argument of z1 into z2. Argument of z1 into z2 equals to, we can write arg z1 plus arg z2 and the last one is argument of z1 by z2 equals to argument of z1 minus argument of z2. You have to remember all these points. Okay. Okay students, the introduction part of the complex numbers is completed. Now we are going to solve the problems. The first problem is convert the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. In that, the first problem is 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i. The question is express the complex number 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i in the form of a plus ib. In the form of a plus ib. We have to convert the given complex number into the form of a plus ib. Okay students, kindly observe here. In this we have two complex numbers. So now 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i. So simply multiply these two parts. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Next 2 into 4i. 2 into 4i plus 2 into 4 is 8, that is 8i. Now multiply this minus 3i with 3, that is minus 9i. Next minus into plus is minus. Next 3i into 4i, that means 3 into 4 is 12 and I into I is I square. Okay, simple multiplication, that is 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8i, minus 3i into 3 minus 9i, minus 3i into 4i, that is minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 and I into I is I square. Now simplification part. So here 6 and plus 8i minus 9i, this is minus I. Next minus 12 into I square. I have already told that the value of I square is minus 1. So we have to substitute this minus 1 in the place of I square. That is minus 12 into minus 1. So this is equals to 6 minus I. Minus into minus is plus 12. So this is equals to 6 plus 12 is 18 and it is minus I. So it is, now it is in the form of a plus ib. It is in the form of, it is in the form a plus ib, and here a equals to 18 and b equals to minus 1. 18 minus I, that means 18 minus 1 I. So b value is minus 1, a value is 18. Okay. So the second problem, express 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i plus 3 plus 4i by 2 plus 3i in the form of a plus ib. We have to convert this given complex number into the form of a plus ib, simple form. Okay. For this, we have to rationalize the denominator of these two complex numbers. The first one is 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i. We are going to rationalize the denominator, that is 1 minus 2i. So multiply with 1 plus 2i and divide with 1 plus 2i. So 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i. In the same way, the second term 3 plus 4i by 2 plus 3i. Again rationalize the denominator, that is 2 minus 3i by 2 minus 3i. Multiplying and dividing with 2 minus 3i. So next the simplification is 4 plus 2i into 1 plus 2i. 4 plus 2i into 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 2i. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. The formula is a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus 2i whole square plus, so 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i by, so here 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. It is again in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So the formula is a square minus b square. That means 2 square minus 3i whole square. So this is equals to, after simplification we will get 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8i. 2i into 1 2i plus 2i into 2i, that is 4i square by 1 minus 2 square is 4 and I square plus 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, that is minus 9i plus 4 into 2 8i, 4 into 3 12 I square. This is minus, plus into minus is minus, minus 12 I square by 2 square is 4 minus 3 square is 9 and I square. So this is equals to, here 4 plus 8 plus 2i, 8i plus 2i, that is 10i plus 4i square. 4i square means 4 into minus 1. We are substituting I square value minus 1 here. So in the same way 1 minus 4 into again I square, that is minus 1 plus 6 minus 9i plus 8i. This is minus I, minus 12 into I square value is minus 1 by 4 into minus 9 into minus 1. Okay. Here 4 plus 10i. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 by, this is 1. So minus into minus plus 4 plus 6 minus I, minus into minus plus 12 by 4 minus into minus plus 9 So this is equals to 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. It remains 10I by 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 6 plus 12 is 18 minus I by 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay. Now here we have to LCM. Answer 5 to the 10. So it gets cancelled 5 to the. That means 2I plus 18 by 13 minus I by 13. Okay, so this is equals to 18 by 13 plus 2I minus I by 13. So this is equals to 18 by 13 LCM. 13 into 2 is 26 I minus I by 13. So this is equals to 18 by 13 plus 26I minus I. This is 25I by 13. So now it is in the form of A plus IB. It is in the form of A plus IB. Here A equals to 18 by 13. Here A equals to 18 by 13 and B equals to 25 by 13. Okay.